out. Here we go. I don't do a lot of these unparcelings, as you guys know, or unletterings, but this is a special one. And as you can see here, we're greeted with fantastic writing because we're lucky here. Let me see. Oh boy. They're like, oh my goodness. I really don't want to ruin the letter. And I don't have a letter opener, so we're doing the best we can here, guys. The anticipation is killing me. Can I do this? Don't wreck the envelope, however people say it.
Likey